Crash Course on Havana in Cuba. Welcome to a crash course on Havana, the vibrant capital city of Cuba. Havana is a place where history, culture, and colorful streets come together to create a captivating experience. Let's embark on a journey to explore the rich heritage, iconic landmarks, fascinating museums, and energetic nightlife that make Havana a truly unique destination. Havana's streets are alive with a kaleidoscope of colors, vintage cars, and the rhythm of salsa music. As you wander through the city, you'll encounter captivating colonial architecture, grand plazas, and bustling markets. The historic center of Old Havana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a treasure trove of architectural gems, including the iconic El Capitolio, the stunning Catedral de San Cristobal, and the picturesque Plaza de la Catedral. Museums in Havana offer a glimpse into the country's history and culture. The Museum of the Revolution chronicles Cuba's revolutionary past, while the National Museum of Fine Arts showcases Cuban art through the ages. For a taste of Havana's vibrant music scene, visit the Buena Vista Social Club or catch a live performance at one of the city's many jazz clubs. When the sun sets, Havana comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. From the pulsating beats of salsa clubs to the cozy bars where you can savor a traditional Cuban mojito, there's something for everyone. The Malecon, a seaside promenade, is a popular gathering spot where locals and visitors come together to enjoy the ocean breeze and engage in lively conversations. Top 12 attractions of Havana. 1. Old Havana, Habana Vieja. 2. El Capitolio. 3. Plaza de la Catedral. 4. Castillo de la Real Fuerza. 5. Museo de la Revolución. 6. Malecon. 7. Plaza de la Revolución. 8. Gran Teatro de la Habana. 9. Floridita Bar. 10. Museum of Fine Arts, Museo Nacional de Bellas Arts. 11. Fusterlandia. 12. Buena Vista Social Club. In summary, Havana is a city that captures the essence of Cuba's rich heritage. Its colorful streets, historic landmarks, captivating museums, and vibrant nightlife create an enchanting atmosphere. Explore the nooks and crannies of Old Havana, immerse yourself in the rhythms of Cuban music, and indulge in the warm hospitality of the Cuban people. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's celebrate the vibrant spirit of Havana with a poem. In Havana's vibrant streets, colors come alive. Colonial architecture, stories to revive. Old Havana's treasures, a glimpse of the past. El Capitolio's grandeur, a memory that will last. Plaza de la Catedral, a tranquil retreat, where time slows down and history meets. Castillo de la Real Fuerza, a fortress strong, guarding Havana's secrets, where legends belong. Museo de la Revolución, a tale untold, of revolutionaries brave, their stories unfold. Malecon's embrace, the ocean's lullaby, where dreams take flight beneath the Havana sky. Plaza de la Revolución, a symbol of pride, where voices echo and dreams collide. Gran Teatro de la Habana, a stage aglow, where dancers enchant, their passion on show. Floridita Bar, where Hemingway dwelled, sipping mojitos, the stories he'd tell. Museum of Fine Arts, artistry refined, Cuban masterpieces, a treasure to find. Fusterlandia's whimsy, colors run wild, a mosaic wonderland that leaves you beguiled. Buena Vista Social Club, music in the air. Salsa rhythms, a dance without a care. In Havana's embrace, a city so alive, where history dances, where cultures thrive. Let's explore its magic, let's embrace the flow. In Havana's rhythm, let's let our spirits grow. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.